What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver, man, and today we're gonna be showing y'all a very special video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get kids 360 waves, the steps it takes, the hard work, the dedication that your son needs to get into, all of that, and how to get waves for your children. I'm gonna introduce somebody to y'all right now. His name is Tay360.
What's up? My name's Tay360. I've got 180 waves, and today Rico the Waver is going to show me how to get my waves better.
Alright, y'all, so now that I introduced him and he introduced himself to y'all to let him know who he is and what we doing today, let's start off by coming out the rag. Y'all already know what my waves look like, so let's have Tay360 come out the rag. So go ahead and come out the rag for him. Go ahead and show him your waves real quick. Now, as y'all can see, he's at the beginning stages, man. He's about to come out his rag right now. He got a few little ripples, as y'all see. You feel me? He got a few little ripples, so they coming in. He has 180 waves, you know. His waves on the sides, you know, he got a 180, so he got a taper on the side. He got the boosie phase, so you know he just need a haircut right now. We woofing, and as y'all see, the waves is already locked in. You know, his waves is already locked in. Connections is coming in real strong. You know, 180s though. So we're gonna be showing y'all how to get y'all 180 waves and how to get these way better connected and dipping way harder, man. He's been putting in a lot of progress since the last time I seen him. His waves looking a lot way better. I could tell that he's been putting some work in. So the next time we get this update, we're gonna show y'all some crazy progress. But right now, we're gonna just get this brush session in. And right now, I just gotta bless him, man. Here, you need you a silky, man, because this polyester, we can't do polyesters no more. So I'm gonna give him a silky do-rag right here, you know. So here you go. Here goes a silky do-rag. You a brush, man. Something you can start off with. Nice curved brush you can start brushing your hair with. Here you go. That's yours to have from Rico the Waver, man. And we're gonna give you a mirror to brush your waves with. Right here, as y'all see. Nice little mirror. That way he could be able to see his waves in the mirror when he brushing at home. So, you know, we giving out starter kits around here, man. You're gonna need a comb. You're gonna need a comb for your kids, because that works good for when you breaking forks and just getting your son's waves a little bit more connected. Forks are pretty much when they look uneven and just all over the place and they just all combine like this. You get them a mirror, you get them a brush, and it don't all have to be all the extreme stuff. I just got all the extreme stuff right now because, you know, I'm already been doing this, you know. As y'all can see, you feel me? Teach them how to brush, teach them how to get everything right, and they'll be just wavy just like you, man. Find you a good product. Find you some type of good product that'll work for your kid's hair. Right here, you can be found in the description below. It's only 15 bucks. You can't beat it. Enough talking. I know y'all like, how's he gonna teach him how to get waves when he don't even got waves himself, or he ain't came out the rag? Because I know a lot of you guys are new to the channel and you're watching this video for the first time and you've never seen me or never seen my waves before. So, and you want to get your kids waves, but it's like, man, he don't even got waves himself. So we gonna come out the rag. And I'm gonna show y'all my waves right now. You know, that's what my waves looking like, and this what we gonna get his like. Yeah, man, this is what my waves looking like, and you can have your son waves looking exactly the same, and he could be in elementary, middle school, and have his waves looking just crazy, man. See, he's dipping already, so you feel me? You just get your comb, get the nice end of it, just comb the hair out, and what this is doing. It's basically gonna start getting everything connected so it can look like my waves. How everything is basically flowing together. That's basically what that's gonna do. So what you do is you just get your comb, nice clean comb too, and just comb his hair out. What that's doing is basically lifting his hair up and getting all the knots out of his hair and all the knots out of his hair so his hair can just basically flow. And it's knocking out forks at the same time. It might not knock it out right away, but eventually, I guarantee you, all of your son's hair will be connected. So you just comb it out, man. So just get a comb, good comb session in, man. He's a medium hair texture. He got medium hair. So as y'all can see, like right here, his waves are already connected. We just trying to get him to go straight. So pretty much now that you got the waves already pretty much combed out, what you want to do is take some of your product, as shown, you feel me? And you just want to apply it in. So you just take a dime size like this, okay?
Okay.
And then what you do is you take it in your palm, Just like that. Rub it together so that way it can look like this, which is like that, okay, guys? Just basically looking like, you know, till it's smoothed out in your hands. Then you put your head down. Then you just apply it in. And not too much, because a little goes a long way. You know, just apply it in just like that. We're going to just get a real lighter amount just because, just to know that his hair is fully healthy and he got it in there, you know, and it don't hurt to apply it on the sides too in the back of the head. This is an all natural butter. Everything all natural ingredients, you know. Link will be down in the description below. So after you've pretty much just got it all in his hair, pretty much, you just apply it just like that, okay? So make sure you putting pressure down on your head so that way your waves can look, you know, have the stuff fully in your hair.
Yeah.
And then if y'all want, it's optional on whether y'all want to comb it again or y'all could just jump straight into the brush session. So right now, we're just going to take his brush and pretty much just brush his hair down for him. You know, just like that. And with waves like this, 180 waves, you don't have to get nothing on the side or nothing like that. He just got the boosie fade, so what you're going to do is just basically just brush it straight down. Just brushing it straight down, man. That's all it consists of, straight strokes. You don't have to rush them. You can just brush your hair. And I guarantee you, eventually, your son is going to start having ripples just like this. Y'all see how deep his waves is already? Look how deep that is already. I guarantee you he finna hawk a couple of y'all in this wave game. And I guarantee that I can stand on that. Watch. Nice session in. Just like that. This brush don't hurt, do it?
No.
Okay, nice medium, because his hair is thick, kind of. His hair is still kind of thick. So just get a nice brush session in. And I'm just shocked myself because I actually haven't, this is my nephew, by the way. I actually haven't seen my nephew in about a week or two. So I'm shocked that he's actually listened and actually made some progress on his waves, man, because, boy, I tell you, they dip it. So just like that, to each his own how long you want to go. You can put your head up now. To each his own how long y'all want to go on y'all brush sessions, you know.
The longest brush session that you want to do is 30 to 40 sessions.
So pretty much now, y'all probably wondering why I got a plastic bag on my hand. The reason why I got a plastic bag on my hand is because we can either use a soft brush to lay his hair down, or you can use a plastic bag. I prefer a plastic bag to help lay his hair down really low. So right now, we're just gonna pretty much just lay his hair down. You know, just use it just like a brush. You just use it just like a brush and then get your hair just that laid. So you just do like that. Make sure you always apply some pressure on it, okay?
Okay.
So when you brushing after this video, when you go home and you brushing your own hair, just make sure you put some pressure on it when you laying it down, when you brushing, okay? It'll help lay your waves down and all of that. So as y'all can see, man, I'm just so shocked that he's really dipping. Like, he's really dipping right now. And he coming for y'all medium hair textures, man. He finna come kill the game. And I know a couple of people he finna hawk, man. He got deeper waves than half of y'all. He's only been waving for what? 2 weeks. He just cut his hair 2 weeks ago. Yes, 2 weeks ago. He's already waving. Because I got him right, man. He listening to Rico the Waver, and he going to listen to the proper instructions, man. Go ahead and get up and show him your waves real quick before you throw your rag on. So show him your progress real quick. And of course, a few spots is going to still be up. Lift your head up real quick. Of course, a few spots is still going to be like lifted up here, but that's only because we training his head to go to lay down. So pretty much, as y'all can see, it looks a lot different than how it was the first time, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It looks a lot different. Y'all see how deep, look how deep that is. Watch when all of that starts looking like ropes. Look how deep that is. I'm gonna get him right. He gonna look like his waves gonna be looking like mine in a minute. We gonna get him right, man. Y'all see we gave him the starter kit. Y'all see all of that. As far as ragging your son waves up, what you wanna do is you want to just keep the line right here. You want to always keep this line right here straight in the middle of your head, okay?
All right.
Then what you do is you take one string, take it around here, spread it out. Spread it out just like that, all right?
All right.
But not too low, though. We don't want it on his eyebrows, you know. Some people wait, and then what you do is you hold that back there. So do me a favor and hold that piece back there. Then what you do is you take the next string, unfold it, so you won't have no do-rag lines on your hand, on your forehead. You won't have no do-rag lines when you unfold it like this. It won't be no lines on your head. And you just take it around that way, let go of the other side, and because that side's gonna, this do-rag piece is gonna grab it. This string is gonna grab it. Then after that, you put it on just like that, okay?
All right.
And then after that, y'all just pretty much squeeze it a little tighter. Not too tight to where it squeezes brain off, but tight enough. Then what you do is you just tie it a little tight. Like I said, don't tie it too tight. We don't want to squeeze his brain out or nothing like that, man. We need his brain because he gonna need to get this education and get these waves right. So now y'all pretty much just rag him up just like that. This is how it looks in the back. Go ahead and turn around and show him. That's how it pretty much looks in the back. That's how it pretty much look in the back, man. Feel me? And make sure y'all pull these down. You can leave flap out or you can tuck the flap in. You feel me? If y'all want to see more tips, even if you want to get your waves right, bro. You want to get your waves to have you and your son's waves right. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the channel. Hit the link in the bio to check out everything y'all need for the video. Y'all can subscribe to my channel to get your waves like mine. And also, you could be helping your son or your nephew get his waves just like mine, and at the same time getting yours just like that.
Make sure y'all give the video a like, comment down below.
Let me know what y'all think below, man, how y'all think his wave process is. He's only been waving for about 2.5 weeks. And he's already dipping because he's been listening to Rico the Waver, man. So if y'all want y'all waves to be dripping, drowning, I suggest y'all subscribe to the channel and check out these videos because y'all going to be seeing a lot more of us, right?
Yeah.
Y'all going to be seeing his progress, right? You going to come back and show him your progress?
Yeah.
I know y'all want to see his progress, so y'all going to be seeing him dipping on this channel a lot more, man. And that's about it. It's your boy Rico the Waver. I'm out. This was how to get your kids 360 waves.